What is a complete education? A complete education isn't just a soundbite or a nice phrase on a prospectus. It is the very philosophy that underpins Benenden life and ensures we are inspiring future thinkers and leaders to shape a better world. So, what makes Benenden's complete education different? In addition to the forward-thinking academic curriculum, we track every student's timetable of activities, inside and outside of the classroom, to make sure she is developing skills and experience in the following 5 key areas: creativity and culture, service and responsibility, global outlook, personal development, innovation and enterprise. We believe these 5 areas are crucial in preparing each student for the modern workplace and to make a difference in their community. We work hard to make sure that these 5 areas of learning are delivered through all the main elements of life at Benenden: academic, co-curricular, well-being. And of course, every student, whether a boarder or a day student, benefits from being part of a happy community that thrives on the values of confidence, compassion, courage, and courtesy. This is what we mean by a complete education.